Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook groups using Zapier and enabling you to automate the posting of your Instagram content to your Facebook groups seamlessly. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, connecting your Instagram to Facebook groups would give you a lot of reasons on doing it, because when you do that, you can engage your audience more effectively. Your group members can see your Instagram posts directly in the group, sparking discussions and interactions. Because Facebook groups are excellent for community building. When you share Instagram content within a group, it creates a sense of belonging and a shared interest among group members, right? And you can always ensure that your Instagram content is seen by a specific targeted audience within your Facebook group. It is especially valuable for businesses looking to reach a niche market. Right, so how do we do that? First, you're gonna go here and Zapier.com Help Activity Center. So we're going to connect Instagram with your Facebook group, right? First off, you might want to hit the orange button here, and it'll take a little while. So our first step is to trigger an action, which is Instagram, because you're going to connect that to your Facebook groups, all right? And after that, you might want to get some action right here. So you have to search for Facebook right here. This is where you should link your Facebook group, right? Now, sharing Instagram content in Facebook can lead to increase of visibility, because group members might share your posts, expanding your reach beyond your Instagram followers. And Facebook groups provide a platform for immediate feedback and insights, so you can gather opinions, conduct surveys, and gain a deeper understanding of what your audience prefer, right? So you can also repurpose your Instagram content for your Facebook group, saving time and effort in creating separate content for different platforms. So now all you gotta do is, when you click for example this one, you might want to choose an event and choose the same as well. So you have to authenticate these two apps before you can link them together. And once you've done that, Zapier will do the work for you. All right, it'll automate all the process for you, so you can have more time focusing on other tasks, and that the automation, Zapier will do it for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.